Today, we're excited to release Captioneer for After Effects. Captioneer for After Effects helps eliminate the grunt work of typing out words in your audio so you can get back to focusing on designing and animating your text. To open it, go to Window, Extensions, Captioneer. That opens the undocked panel. I'll add it to my workspace and make this a bit smaller. My composition is simple, with one clip and one track of audio, but you can have as many as you like. Let's transcribe the dialogue by going to Captions, select Auto Captions, select your language, and then go down to Create. We can process the full composition and hit Add Captions. After a few seconds, raw text layers with the correct text and timing are all added to the composition. These text layers are fully editable in After Effects.
I got everyone together a couple months ago and we all ran across Iceland. And it was the funniest thing ever, 3 days of just absolute chaos.
Captioneer inherits your last used text settings. We can start editing one text layer and hit Add Captions, and all new text layers are created with that font and style. Captioneer deletes the old ones and adds fresh new layers. If you have multiple text layers with different styles in your comp, you can tell Captioneer to use a specific one. Just select the layer with the style you want to use. And when you hit Add Captions, all newly created text layers will use that style. We can come over to the Update tab and copy and paste our text settings between layers. This pastes all font settings and transform properties like position and scale. Or hit Sync All to sync font settings for all of them at once. But that's not all. I'll delete all the text layers and come back to the Insert tab. Under Create, we have several options. We can check Precompose Captions. That will create all the same text layers as before, but put them in their own precomp. We can go into that precomp to see all our text layers. We can hit Collapse Transformations and drag that precomp anywhere we want it. This helps keep your main comp nicely organized. Or we can select Parent to Controller, and that will create all of our text layers parented to a null object. When we drag that null around, the layers all move with it. These options are both handy for grouping all of your text layers and moving them together as one unit. This last option is special. I'll select Split by Words and hit Add Captions. That generates all of the text layers and then splits them out, each word onto its own dedicated layer. We'll see each word popping on as it's detected by the speech to text.
I'll follow the right people on YouTube, whether it's business or fashion or things that I enjoy watching, and that's all I watch.
It may not be perfect every time. For example, this section.
I don't watch TV, I watch YouTube.
I watch YouTube does not have perfect timing, but we can take those layers and adjust them so they line up better.
I don't watch TV, I watch YouTube.
The Split by Words feature currently only works for English, but we hope to get it working for other languages soon. So that's all the features for today, but this is just step one. Now we want your feedback in shaping the evolution of the plugin. There's so many things we could build for the After Effects version, but we want to know from you what would help your workflow the most. We built this tool to help animators and editors stay in flow and empower you to produce your best work faster. So leave a comment below and tell us what you want to see next in the After Effects version. We're excited to read all your suggestions.